Hey friends, it's Cal. And this is our 30-foot Skoolie conversion we just spent this past year building out entirely from the ground up to be our dream home on wheels. However, that is not the point. Right now, we are currently taking you all the way across the country and back. But to head west, we need to head north over to South Dakota. I'll explain more in a sec. But now is the perfect time to hit that subscribe button. That way you know you're along for the ride. We still have plenty of miles left to cover. From breaking down, making our way over to Georgia, getting 2 new kittens, making our way back over to Tennessee, heading over to Kentucky. I don't know, we're in Kentucky. Somehow making it to Illinois. What state are we in?
Illinois.
So we're in Illinois. I guess we're in Illinois. Hightailing it over to Missouri. To hit the road once again, making our way all the way over to South Dakota. But yeah, somehow we're in South Dakota, but with 0 regrets. It is beautiful here. With plenty of driving to do and things to see, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna let the vlog do its thing. And I guess just one last thing before I go, you're gonna wanna buckle up. It's gonna be a wild ride. Get ready. Bleak, where did we just show up? Where are we?
Wow.
Whose bus is that? Do that one more time.
I was hacking loogies out the bus in Missouri when I first got sick. I shot one out the window on the highway, except I forgot I had just shut the window.
Hello, prairie dog. You see that? Oh, there's 2 of them.
Ryder, go to the window.
This is the coolest that I've ever seen in my life. Are you recording this? Get in a 4K, babe. Zephyr, go say hi to the buffalo. I'm kidding. He's just going potty. Look. Potty break. And the rest was history. What if I said I don't want to go over a sharp curve on a cliff?
I would tell you
It's the sun, it's okay. Hi, Wyoming. Hey you, yeah you. I am so grateful I get to share this journey with you. Thank you guys so much for watching and continuing to come back each and every week to support this journey. I seriously could not be doing this without all of your support. With that being said though, I'm gonna ask you to do me a favor and like this video, maybe leave a little comment or two down below letting me know your favorite memory from the trip so far. Mine is definitely...
it says no parking, but buses allowed.
We parked in a spot we weren't really supposed to, but they let us. The sign technically says buses only.
The sign I almost took with us.
We hit a sign.
With the mirror.
With the mirror, it was nothing. And then I guess lastly, how about same time next week, just a new adventure, okay? Okay. Alrighty, I will see you guys down the road.